So here's another little tip for you. So if you haven't got enough baking beans to be able to fill all of the tins that you have, or you haven't got any at all, but you have some baking foil, then we'll use that instead. So here's my baking foil. This is quite a small one, and I use this specifically for this kind of thing. So I'm just going to prick the bottom of the tart a little bit, and then I'm going to get this and I'm going to scrunch round the edges, leaving the middle unscrunched, so to speak. And I'm just going to form it into a circle about the same size as the tip. And what this does is it means that the thicker edges push the sides of the tart out, stops it from collapsing in, and the heat of the foil helps to cook the bottom of the tart as well. So I'm going to keep doing this until we've got enough size. And these can be reused again, so you don't need to throw them out. You can put them in your baking tin and put it away, ready for the next time. So that will do absolutely fine. I'm going to put a little bit of a gap there. I pricked the bottom anyway, and this will come out before the case is fully cooked. So once this is firmed up and it's started to get a bit of colour on it, then I'll take the foil out and finish it off. So I'm still waiting for my cakes to come out, so we'll be back in a little while.